Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about what happens after repairing the brakes, the wear indicator, or resetting the wear indicator display on the dashboard using Kali. So we'll go ahead and reset the service indicator now. We're going to take a look at the whole thing here first, and then we'll start with the reset, and here we go. It's about the display when we turn on the ignition, showing that we've exceeded the service interval by 9,000 for the brake system. Drive moderately. Just like here. That means, or rather, what does it mean? We can go into the menu here, or we can't see it anymore. Look, we can't access it through that. Let's go into the menu here. Logically first. Zrenia. What is it actually asking us to do next? Then let's go ahead and check it out. Vehicle status. Well, it doesn't look like much here. Then we'll go into service requirements and see what it's asking from us. Brake fluid, engine oil, brake pads. Right now, we've just finished dealing with the brake pads completely. And you can't just confirm the brake pads here, it has to be checked and properly done using a diagnostic tester instead. And we're now going to reset the entire system with Kylie after the repair, so we've already replaced the wear indicator. When carrying out the repair, you must replace the wear indicator. Otherwise, you can't reset the system. Always replace the wear indicator. Alright, and I'd say we'll reset the engine oil and brake fluid as well while we're at it. Then let's take a good look at it after. The reset. Let's see how it all turns out in the end. This here is the BMW F20. So the 1 Series BMW model year 2014, but it's also the same with many other BMWs. So the OBD connector is already plugged in. Here's some info on how the OBD connector. Basically all the details about the app and how to establish the connection from your phone to the app. There's this little eye icon here, you can tap on it, there's actually a separate video dedicated just to explaining the app in detail. So when we open the app, you'll see an image of the app displayed somewhere here. Then the first thing we need to do is select the vehicle. It's a 1 Series F20 and it's a diesel-powered model. 2014, okay. And now let's go ahead and connect it up once properly and securely, all ready. Ignition on. Now we've got an adapter selected, I believe. At this point we have 2 adapters available in total. So the connection is there, we can get started. Then we go to service. Read out. Now you're reading out the complete service data. Once again, a bit forward minus 2530. We want to reset that. Once and start from scratch. And it's important when you reset it without changing the wear indicator, then later, since I have already published it, you don't reset it for yourselves, and then another separate warning light comes up. So calibration is set. So then you have at the front, as you can see now, 70.070, 100%. And then you can see once more, service counter, indicating how often the car has been serviced. So we've taken care of everything that's needed. In the car, we also notice when checking service requirements that the front brake pad is completely worn out. At this point, I'll also say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's actually a follow-up video for when you're changing the brakes. I didn't include it in this one. I decided to make a separate video for that instead. If you liked it and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time, take care and see you soon.